What's up, YouTube? It's your boy T. Welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel if you new to the channel. It's your boy T, man. I'm back again today with another Soul Supremacy beater box. I told y'all I had another one here. This box ran me 565 bucks, so it was 525 plus the $40 shipping. If you're new to the channel, these are nothing more, nothing less than just a mystery box full of shoes from a company called Soul Supremacy out in California. One of the best in the business. Very dope shop. Check them out. Follow them on Twitter to find out information on becoming a member. A lot of people still asking me about that. It is a closed membership program. I'm not sure of how many members it is. I always thought it was around 100, but I think it's more. I want to say I don't know exact number, but yeah, it's a closed membership, so check them out if you want to find out more about that. We're gonna jump right in this box. 565 bucks. Y'all know, if you've been following the channel for a little while, this is my favorite price range boxes for a few reasons. Mainly because I don't know, I just get lucky, man. That's the main reason. I just get lucky with this price range box. The last box was my most expensive box. Hope you guys checked that video out. It was $12.40, $1,200 plus the $40 shipping. That box was amazing. I got one pair of shoes without a box here. Got in this shoe, one of my personal favorite Prestos, man, the Safari joints. This pair does not come with a box. This pair is a size extra large, so it fits a size 12 to 13. Very dope shoe, very dope colorway. They normally come with 2 pair of laces and a red Nike box, but this is what you're getting from me. Very clean pair. Hopefully y'all can see that. Check those out. That should be the only pair without a box, unless I missed the pair in the box, in the back of the box. Nah, that's the only loose pair. So next up, I got a ASIC and Kith box. Check that out. Never seen this box. I do like ASIC, some of them gel-like 3s, of course. And I think that's what we got here. That is what we have here. Gel-like 3s with some kind of Sharpay liner on the inside. These are pre-owned. Check out the bottom. These must be some kind of special edition or something. I've never seen them. They come with brand new Kith insoles. They have the insoles inside here. I guess they come with extra insoles. Check out the other one. Let me line them up so y'all can see them better. Check those out, man. These are pretty clean. Gel-like 3s. One of the best ASICs in my opinion to ever drop. The box is in great shape. Alright. I like that box. Kind of got a magnetic box. Keep it closed. Nike box. Red Nike box, size 11 foam posit. Just by reading what somebody wrote in Sharpie on the side of the box, I think I know what it is. And yep, I am correct in my head. I don't know the nickname to these. Size 11 from what the box says. Let me double check that though. So I've been getting a lot of replacement boxes lately. And if I can find the tag, yes, these are a size 11. Foam posits. Pretty clean. Still decent icy on the bottom. I don't see any scuffs or anything like that. On the uppers, foam posits. I still have no problem moving these. I know a lot of people say they dead or whatever, but I still get hit up a lot about them, so I guess they might be still alive in some people. To some people. Foam posit. Alright, I got a human race box. Dang. Alright, so I seen the human race box right here. Now we pulling out a Y3 box. Now I'm not up on game with my Y3s like that. I just know that at one point in time they were kind of sought after. This is a size 12.5. I don't even know if that's a good size to have in a Y3. I know 12.5 is kind of rare in Jordans. I'm just gonna show you how to shoot, man, because I have no idea what I'm holding here. Boost bottom. I don't know what that is on the I don't know what that says right there. I'm not even gonna try to butcher it if I try to pronounce it. I don't know. Could be worth a lot, could be worth nothing at all. I'm gonna have to go on GOAT and StockX and eBay and see what price ranges these things fall in, because I've never seen them before. I just heard Y3 was, you know, at one point in time sought after. Alright. So I mean, it could be a diamond or it could be a brick. I don't know. That's the fun thing about mystery boxes, right? Let me get this out the way. Human Racer. The last box I had, no, it was a 7. I had back in the day, I had got a $700 something box, $750 or whatever, and I had got a Human Race box, and it was not these. I've never had these. Holy NMD MC is what the box says. I know there was a bunch of them, and somebody's cutting grass, so hopefully it don't distract y'all too much. But Human Racers, man, these are pretty clean. That color, perfect for the summertime. And I don't even know if I told you guys the size. These are a size 13. Size 13. This pair is in really good shape. I haven't got a Human Racer in a few months, man. I had got one, like I said, in the 750 box a long time ago, and the Human Racer alone in that box sold for $750. So that's why I remember it so well. We got some Dame. Oh, we got those Bait Dame 4s. Size 13. Seen this shoe on the web. Never held it in hand. Damian Lillard did his thing this year. What y'all think, man? Y'all like these? I don't know too much about them besides just a little collab with Dame and Bape and Adidas. So I remember pictures was going around like crazy, like this was gonna be a hyped up shoe, and I think the resale died as soon as the shoe had came out or something like that. The resale wasn't as high as everybody had anticipated. Try to get through this video since my neighbor cutting his grass out here. Sneaker exchange. Adidas box. That's a weird feel on the box material. This is an Ultra Boost size 10.5. Sneaker exchange. So we got some kind of premium triple white Ultra Boost in a size 10.5. All white shoes, so you know it's gonna be dirt. I'm not really big on cleaning shoes, I'm not even gonna lie. Some of them I do clean, but most of the time I pass it to my guy. He knocks it out for me, give them back, and I ship them off to y'all. Size 10.5. Triple whites. I'm gonna do some research on these. They might be worth more than a standard all white, you know, Adidas. I don't know. Alright, this box is being kind of complicated. Last in this box, 565 bucks. I got another Ultra Boost, another size 10.5. Yo, I've been kind of, you know, I wanted this shoe so bad when I had first seen it a couple years ago, man. This triple gray Ultra Boost. I'm just a basic guy, man. I like gray, and this triple gray Ultra Boost was fire to me. I never got it because the resale was stupid high, and I couldn't find it for a decent price. And plus, I'm spoiled by Soul Supremacy in these beater boxes, so I hate to pay resale for anything. I'd rather just roll the dice on the beater box. But I'm just showing y'all while I'm talking. These are in great shape. Need a good little wipe down. This is a 10.5, and I'm debating if I want to keep these or not, because I got a bunch of Adidas clothes, man, and I don't have any too many Adidas shoes. So I know most people don't care about matching brands and all that. I'm not too matchy, but when it comes to my stuff like that, I want it to match. Size 10.5 though. Price will be on the screen if I do decide to sell. Very dope Ultra Boost to me. Ultra Boost is still mad comfortable. Y'all know I don't really go with the hype. I don't care if it's dead or not. I'm rocking what I like, rocking what's comfortable. So that's what that is. Follow me everywhere at TGOTSOLE. Instagram, Twitter, eBay, everywhere like that. Make sure you subscribe. A lot of people hit me up about shoes way after the video goes up, so hit that subscribe and that bell, and that way you can get to the videos sooner. If you see anything you like, just hit my email. It's tgotsole@gmail.com. You can just hit my email there, and if I still have them, they're yours. Ship them out. So with that being said, that wraps up today's video. Hopefully have another box for you guys soon. I don't know if they're doing a, they should be doing a drop. I want to say I seen that they wasn't doing a drop, but I think I was doing something else. So I'm pretty sure, hopefully I have another box coming in and we'll get another video out, man. Appreciate y'all watching. I'm out. Peace.